How to fix smart lock not working in Huawei Nova 13. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, then you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and then click on reset and then click on reset all settings and again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.